Question number 2a. Find all factors of. So here we have to going to find factors of the number. How we will find the factors? We will see this number is coming on the table or not. Okay. So first is there 18. So we will write here. So in 1 is a factor of every number. So we will write 1 18s 18. So first of all you have to write the 1 table. In 1 table all number will come. So 1 is a factor of every number. Then in 2 table 18 will come. Yes, 2 9s 18. Then in 3 table 3 6 18. Then in 4 table 18 will come. No. 5 no. 6 6 3s 18. That we have already written 3 6 18. So we will not repeat. Now in 7 table no. 8 table no. 9 table 9 2s 18. So we have written that also 2 9s 18. So we will not repeat that. So then last we will write 18 1s 18. That also 1 18s 18 we have written here. So we will not repeat. So we will write answer 1 2 3 6 9 18 are the factors of 18. Okay, we have to start from the first, then we have to move from last to first, means it will come in the ascending order, smaller to greater. Now number 2 24. So 24 first what we will write? We will write 1 multiplied by 24 equal to 24. Then in 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s 24. Then in 3 table, when it will come in 3 table, 3 8s 24. Then in 4 table 4 6 24. Then in 5 table it will come. No. In 6 table, yes, 6 4s that we have written already, 4 6 24. So we will not repeat. Then in 7 table, no. 8 table 8 3s 24. That also we have written 3 8s 24. So we will not repeat. At last we will write 24 1s 24. That also 1 24s 24 we have already written. So we will write here answer. First start from 1 1 2 3 4, then 6, then 8, then 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Okay. Now number 3. Number 3 is 28. So first what we will try? Yes, 1 28 is 28. Then in 2 table, see in 1's place which digit is there? Even number is there. So it is divisible by 2. Yes, so we will divide and see in 2 table when 28 will come. 2 1s 2. So 2 minus 2 we will get 0. This 8 we will come down. In 2 table when 8 will come, 2 4s 8. So in 2 14s 28. So we will write here 2 14s 28. Then in 3 table 28 will come? No. In 4 table, yes, 4 7s 28. Then in 5 table, no. 6, no. 7 4s that we have already written 4 7s. Okay. Then 9, no. So at last we will write 28 1s 28 that we have written early. So the factors of 28 are, so we will write 1 2 4 7 14 28 are the factors of 28. Okay. Then number 4 85. So first we will write 1 is a factor of all numbers. So we will write 1 85 is 85. Then in 2 table 85 will come. In 1's place which digit is there? 5. Odd number is there. So it is not divisible by 2. In 3 table, so we have to add and see. 8 plus 5 13. 8 plus 5 13. Now 1 plus 3 13. 13 is divisible by 3. No. In 3 table 13 will come. No. So 85 is not divisible by 3. Now in 4 table also no. Now we have to see in 5 table. So we will divide and see. In 5 table when 85 will come. So 5 1s 5. So 8 minus 5 3. So this 5 will come down. It will become 35. In 5 table and 35 will come. 5 7s 35. So 5 17s 85. Then in 6 table 85 will come? No. In 7 table? No. 8? No. 9? No. So in last we will write 85 once 85, that we have written already. So the factors are 1, 5, 17, 85 are the factors of 85. Now number 5, 36. So first we will write 1 multiplied by 36 equal to 36. Now here the ones place which digit is there? 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 36 will come. 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 we will get 1. The 6 will come down, it will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 2 multiplied by 18 equal to 36. Then in 3 table, again we will divide and see. 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 and the 6 we will carry down. In 3 table when 6 will come, 3 2s are 6. So 3 12s are 36. Then in 4 table, 4 9s are 36. 5 table it will come? No. Then in 6 table, 6 6 36. Then in 7 table, no. In 8 table, no. In 9 table, 9 4s, that we have written already 4 9s, okay. Then last 36 1 the 36, that we have written ahead. So the factors are 1 2 3 4 6. Here 6 two times repeating, so we will write only one time. Then 9, then 12, then 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. Now number 6, 94. So first of all we will write 194 is 94. Now see in ones place which digit is there? 2. So which digit is there? 4. So 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. So we will divide and see. 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. So this 4 will come down. In 2 table when 14 will come, 2 7s are 14. So when it is divisible in 2 table, 2 47s. So we will write 2 47s 94. In 3 table it will come. We will divide and see. 3 3s are 9 and this 4 we will come. Then 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 1. Here remainder is 1 is coming, so it is not divisible. In 4 table also it will not come. 5 also it will not come. So directly we will take 94 ones are 94, that we have written first only. So the factors are 1 2 47 and 94 are the factors of 94. Now number 7, 56. So first we will write 156 56. Then in 2 table when it will come, we will divide and see. 2 2s 4. Then 5 minus 4 1. Then 6 will come down, it will become 16. So 2 8s 16. So we will write 2 28s 56. Okay. Then in 3 table it will come. No. Then 4 table we will divide and see. 56 divided by 4. 4 1s 4. So 5 minus 4 we will get 1. And the 6 will come down, it will become 16. In 4 table and 16 will come. 4 4s 16. So 4 multiplied by 14 equal to 56. Then in 5 table it will not come. In 6 table it will not come. In 7 table 7 8s 56. Then we will write 56 1s 56, that we have written ahead. So factors are 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 and 56 are the factors of 56. Okay. Now number 8, 60. So first we will write 160 is 60. Then in 2 table when 60 will come, 2 3s are 6. So this 0 will come down. So we will write in quotient also 0. So 2 30s are 60. Then 3 20s are 60. Then in 4 table, 4 15s are 60. Then 5 12s are 60. Then in 6 table, 6 10s are 60. Then in 7 table, 8 table, 9 table it will not come. So last 16 ones are 60 that we have written early. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60 are the factors of 60. Okay. Now next, find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So here 12 and 28. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to make it a prime factorization first. So we will start from 2. In 2 table when 12 will come, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6, then 3 1s are 3. Now we will make factorization for 28. So 2 table when 28 will come, we will divide and see. 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2 0. This 8 will come down. So 2 4s are 8. So 2 14s are 28. In 2 table 14 will come. Yes. 2 7s are 14. Then 7 will come in 7 table. 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors of 12 first. So what are the factors of 12? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Then for 28, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now we have to take out a common factor. So common factors equal to, what are the common factors here? 2 and 2. So we will write our common factors only one time. So 2 multiplied by 2. So we will write HCF of 12 and 28 equal to 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 is 4. Now number 2, 36 and 42. So first of all we will make a prime factorization for 36. So see, in ones place which digit is there? 6. So 6 is divisible by even number, it is divisible by 2. So we will see in 2 table when 36 will come. So 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 1. So this 6 will come down, it will become 16. So in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 we will get 0. So 2 18s are 36. Then in 2 table when 18 will come, yes, 2 9s are 18. Then 2 table 9 will come, no. So we will multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Then by 42. So here also see in first place 2 is there, that is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 42 will come. So 4 is there first, so 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0. This 2 will come down. So 2 1s are 2. So 2 21s are 42. Now in ones place 1 is there, it is a odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will see in 3 table 21 will come. Yes, 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors. For 36, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now for 42, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now we have to take out a common factor. Now we will write the common factors. The common factor is here 2, then 3. So one time only we will write common factors 2 and 3. So we will write HCF of 36 and 42 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. The HCF of 36 and 42 equal to 6. Now number 3, 15 and 30. So first we will take out prime factorization for 15. So in first place which digit is there? 5. So it is an odd number, it will not divisible by 2. So now we will see in 3 table 15 will come. Yes, 3 5s are 15 and 5 is there, so it will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Now we will take out for prime factorization for 30. Now here first place 0 is there, so 0 is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 30 will come. So 2 1s are 2, so 3 minus 2 1, so this 0 will come down, it will become 10. So in 2 table when 10 will come, 2 5s are 10. So we will write 2 15s are 30. Now 15 will not come in 2 tables, so we will write 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors of 15, that is 3 multiplied by 5, then factors of 30, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we have to take out a common factor 5 and 3. So common factor equal to 3 multiplied by 5. So we will write HCF of 15 and 30 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. So HCF of 15 and 30 equal to 15. Now number 4, 48 and 72. So we will first take out prime factorization for 48. So here you see in ones place which digit is there? 8. So it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 48 will come, first 4 we will take, so 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0. This 8 will come down. In 2 table when 8 will come, 2 4s are 8. So 2 24s are 48. Then in 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s are 24. Then in 12 when it will come in 2 table, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 72, here also in ones place 2 is there, so it is divisible by 2, or even number is there, so we will divide and see. So in 2 table 7 will not come, so we will take a smaller number. 2 3s are 6, so 7 minus 6 1, so this 2 will come down, it will become 12. In 2 table when 12 will come, 2 6s are 12, so we will write 2 36 are 72. So again here in ones place even number 6 is there, so it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 36 will come, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, so the 6 will come down, it will become 16. So in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16, so we will write 2 18s are 16. In 2 table 18 will come, yes, 2 9s are 18. Now in 2 table 9 will not come, so we will move to 3 table. 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 48. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then 3 is there. Now for 72, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have to take out a common factor. Which are common? 2, this 2, this and 3. So we will write the common factor only one time. 2 for this multiply by 2, for this 2 and 3. So HCF of 48 and 72 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So HCF of 48 and 72 equal to 24. Now number 5, 20 and 40. So we will take out prime factorization for 20 first. So in 2 table when 20 will come, 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Now for 40, in 2 table when 40 will come, 2 20s are 40, then 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors for 20. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Then factors for 40. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So now we have to take the factors, common factors. Okay, 2, 2 and 5. So we will write common factors equal to 2, 2 and 5. So we will write HCF of 20 and 40 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So HCF of 20 and 40 equal to 20. Now number 6, 6 and 18. So first we will take out for 6. In 2 table 6 will come. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now for 18. In 2 table 1 18 will come. 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors for 6. 2 multiplied by 3. Now for 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So we will take out the common here. 2 and 3. So common factor equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So we will write HCF of 6 and 18 equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. HCF of 6 and 18 equal to 6. Now number 7, 49 and 21. So first we will take out prime factorization for 49. Now 49, see here, one space, which digit is there? 9. So it is odd number, it is not divisible by 2. Now for 3 we will divide and see. 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. So 19 is there. So 19 is not divisible by 3. Then 4, no. Then 5 also, no. 6 also, no. So we will take 7. 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. Now for 21. 21 will come in 3 table. 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors for 49. 7 multiplied by 7. Then for 21, 3 multiplied by 7. So your common factor 7. So we will write common factor equal to 7. HCF of 49 and 21 equal to 7. Now number 8, 40 and 56. So first of all we have to take out a prime factorization for 40. In 2 table when 40 will come, 2 20s are, then 2 10s are 20, then 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5. Now for 56. See in ones place which digit is there? 6 is there. So we have to see in 2 table when 56 will come. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4, 1. So the 6 will come down, it will become 16. Now in 2 table when 16 will come, 2 8s are 16. So we will write here 2 28s are 56. Now again here see even number is there 8. So it is also divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 28 will come, 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2 0. So this 8 will come down. Then 2 4s are 8. So 2 14s are 28. Then in 2 table when 14 will come, 2 7s are. Then 7 will come in 7 table. 7 1s are 7. So we will write the factors for 40. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. For 56, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now we have to take out a common factors. Common factors equal to, we will write one time only 2, then 2, then 2. So HCF of 40 and 56 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8.